anyways, now if you don't go to my school, you wouldn't know what I did. But basically, the other day, like a week ago, I made puppets, or we made puppets in school, and we made them handmade. So these are not like made by somebody. I made this with the help of some teachers, but yeah, I basically sewed on all this stuff. The teacher showed me how to sew. It's so hard. Show and sew. Like, come on, bro. Yeah, anyways, the teachers showed me how to sew. I'm going to turn 2 pieces of cloth into this. And look, I can put my hand through that. And basically just